Okay, sorry about that. So 36 divided by 3 is 12. 4 and 9. 36 will not divide by 5, and then I get twins, 6 and 6. Okay? So if I divide 121 divided by 36 is a decimal. Now try 18. 121 divided by 18 is a decimal. Next highest number is 12. 121 divided by 12 is a decimal. Then 9. 121 divided by 9 is a decimal. 6. 121 divided by 6 is a decimal, so both those can go. 121 divided by 4 is a decimal. 121 divided by 3 is a decimal, and 121 divided by 2 is a, so I'm out of numbers, okay? So there's no GCF. So I have my difference. 36 is a perfect square. It'd be 6x times 6x, and so is 121. That's 11 times 11. So it's 6x plus 11, 6x minus 11. Okay, next problem. The GCF step, and then the DOPS step. DOPS, you set up two parentheses, one's plus, one's minus. Okay, now, by the way, you don't have a negative, you don't have x on both these, and you got 1 and 7. So if 1's the smallest and I don't have anything over here, no. So we have a difference. We got x times x, but 7 is not a perfect square. I don't see 7 on here. So I can't do anything there, so what I do is write prime. That means the expression cannot be factored, it cannot be broken down. Space parentheses. I don't have a negative, I don't have x on both terms, and 1 would be my smallest. There's an imaginary 1 there, so no. Okay, now some of you might be like XX77, but you don't have a minus. It's called difference of perfect squares for a reason, okay? That looks to me like it's a plus sign, okay? So since that's a plus sign, I can't do the DOPS, and it's prime. You need a minus and perfect squares. Okay, now here. So the GCF step, and then the DOPS step. GCF, I have a negative in front. I don't have x on everything. So now let's check out 5 since it's the smaller coefficient. The only factors of 5 are 1 and 5. So let's see if 125 divides by 5. Sure it does. So negative 5 is a GCF. So I put negative 5. Now go up and underline and put negative 5. Then you'll see what this is. So that's going to be 1x to the second, so I'm going to put just x to the second. That's negative 25, so minus 25. And see if you have a DOPS, you do. That's minus x times x and 5 times 5. Okay? So I've got x plus 5 and x minus 5. Pull your negative 5 down, and that's the answer at the end. Okay, now I want you to turn the page and do numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, and factor them completely. Everyone, I want to see you checking for a GCF, and then see one of these 4 is prime, I'll tell you that, okay.